Enkwasiade amadi wo Ghana kuro we mu no. Abronye is supposed to be in jail by now. Abronye supposed to be in jail. Ti kroma di sika wo Ghana nyina di nkwasiasam e repi ma boni patuo. Headquarters wo Ashanti Regional Party office. Munya mwa, nyantwa mwa. Kwasiafo, then we have to listen to such twerps. After all these things, Endra Yeka Abronye Asem, and it's about Abronye case. A judge who has refused to release ruling after 6 days deserves no respect. Afenyo-Markin said, only the baby ojeno jina. A judge obetna case so after 6 days no ontimi fan ruling in Babontino. Na onye judge was say buno na sebio o Jimmy for. The reason why it have Afenyo-Markin ekas ase would say it is because during Tokoni's time na otuminya judgment in 24 the same day. That is the stupidity of a stupid politician. Oh, now no, say Obi Echo Court. Now say judge need taking the time to write the ruling. Nearly 4 or 5 days. Afenyo-Markin who say judge incompetent. Or needs or respected judge because the girlfriend Tokonu na we be in the two and na ordinary no tia hodi. Or who say I was a judge be sorry na or reading or the judgment bar. Within 3 days, within the following day, and at the same day, I was the judgment, written judgment in Yaba. The reason why I said it was during Tokonu's time. And I was penny way, etumiko quarter 8, not area 2 o'clock, no judgment. That is the stupidity of a stupid politician. And that is what they did when they were in power. And he sees this and say, Adentina, Maka quarter, 6 days, judge Nifa, the judgment. It is because of the treatment. It's because of the treatment he was getting. It's because of the foolish, corrupt, stupid treatment Tokonu Edemano. It is because of the foolishness exhibited when they were in power. Because it was during their time in office. And to me, etam krata koma Tokonu onifia na jo. Abra Tokonu kunu etukwan. Say onshe na ofri wa humachi 5. Say Tokonu enfre case na no pa 9. Na Tokonu so ne toye de denti. Na no pa 9 tutu no afre case. Say akora wemra na ome wini case. Anything and the old judge of watem. But I don't blame him. I don't blame him because there are some judges in Ghana, they entertain the foolishness of Afenyo-Markin Abesi Hanne. So if he is disrespecting the judge or judges or disrespecting the judiciary, it is the judiciary itself that has to blame itself. Because Afenyo-Markin commit crime, General Legal Counsel him or smart obi oye jumone ne law firm Emma and komoko kidnapping kora do General Legal Counsel Tokonu ye chairman. They said Afenyo-Markin should go home. Sam Okujato akwa kwasiampe yimira nam Ghana na ono MPP for asem na wabeji agirim kwasiampe yina Sam Okujato sa papa kokrem na ni bre cast se abuofunu no. Why is he quiet on this matter? Go and search for Sam Okujato. That fool neba repeat ni mate and order neba na kwasha Canada, a foolish man. And these are people we sit in Ghana no mo sorry omu yempenifo ni be Jimmy. Some of them are stupidly foolish, and you do matema. You need reason to feel bad about it. No, where is Sam Okujato? Where is Sam Okujato? That lawyer, that criminal lawyer, that thief. Why is he not speaking on Abronye matter? Why is he not speaking on Afenyo-Markin, insulting the whole judiciary? Why is that Sam Okujato kwasiampe? Why is he not speaking? And these fools walk in Ghana and say they are statesmen. Ghana in penifo do na omunim nyansa ne amamu too much opportunity to be fooling around for years. Anything ya wahanne. There are too many foolish old people in Ghana. Omuna yama omedi enim, because if we the young people we decide to also think and make decisions, these idiots, some of these idiots like Sam Okujato them will not be leading political discussions. Sam Okujato akasa nuwu. Sam Okujato ka bia ochibi akufara de mano. Sam Okujato, he's a criminal. But you see, when issues happen, they are selective. Opa mochna, as someone see, na enko in the favor of the MPP. This foolish Sam Okujato will come and defend Afenyo-Markin. What I want to tell you when I say, Afenyo-Markin will never respect the judiciary. He would never respect the Chief Justice, because you see, Afenyo-Markin is head, Sani ex-girlfriend na yini free ono. Ohun say Bafu Bonnie and Amani ex-girlfriend losing the Juma. It Afenyo-Markin will never respect a Tokonu Bafu Bonnie. He will never do it. Because you see, baby, I would did kwa deno. So big fruit sema ya. So all that Afenyo-Markin is doing today is because ye and the door for bad every ho. Ya permanent door for no. Obana na or one no. Ya permanent intesiano. Anything that the judiciary says be any ya any bufu. And he has never respected the Chief Justice. Mweja. Mubofu. Iti nyai. Emwa. Iti. This kind of statement, it should tell you something. These kind of statements, it should tell you the MPP as a political party, they don't respect the judiciary. And if the judges are going to keep on allowing them to disrespect them, it's their own cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea. Because me the Benjamin say, Ghana for. Now, see the contradictory statement MPP are making today. Now, and the Oppong Nkruma Kotina radio, so Asempa FM, as usual, the Jandam radio station, led by the Jandam journalist at Asempa, they have started creating an impression to say, na me pese me busa asembio. Abronye DC, abuasa and wine. If Abronye DC is sick in jail and if he dies, who cares? Abronye DC. Ade MP before you na ade ntini enchi omu nyina kogumu. Into Abronye DC. What the heck is wrong with Abronye DC being sick in jail? I don't know. Now, T, we are not being given access to speak to our clients. Abronye DC, even though his health condition is not good, the NDC is doing this to suppress the opposition party. MPP
now, what your client in car, up till now, Debbie. Hey, sir, Munya Quainko Hun will be an eye. Debbie. If said Meminda or Moman Kohono, later party informer Kumi Nubinia Quainko, but the lawyers, they are not giving us access. And the reason is, Oma Katsamo. Oka almost say a police case in teachers of Oko police for no. Oko police for no matter so back to be an. If I hear crowd here Saturday and no man quite a man who no my feedback say the condition and yet. Wow. That's strange. That's strange. Ain't it? By strange. Semite, I think the voice I heard was Nanabi. Yeah, Nanabi, sure. Semite, they are can any strange. A deliberate tactic are buying uses of the suppress opposition voices. And opinion many animal casa or Joe and says so far, Omache are really over 16 of our members before the courts. Simply for someone Maka abiding in and a direct policy of the government because Nipo announces our policy near the President of the Republic. So that at the press conference at Jubilee House, now President Carl said, or more technology to see people's IP addresses. Inti Mua obey the often of misinformation. So almost so say what can someone a to futugu public nenia almost so assembly no kreno. They will pick you up and they will deal with you before the courts. Since our that seminal, don't be so eliminate us some class yeah, me what happen to honorable. Since Mr. President's class assembly, maybe we will dear man, but I need you to count for me. Okay. Say Obama, Fanti Comedy, Baba Mandu, Prince Ofori, Yaira Abdul, Emmanuel Kwache, David Afo, Obama friend of Akosia Jolof, yeah, David Esando, Connie Bafo Ayaka, Okatechi Fifa, Achinkwana, Charity, Defeated, Priscilla Dia Brago, God Nasari Bediako, Alfredo Abebiu, also known as Adentakumi. Mikram Fa Paul, I don't want your money at the account. Numbers are here so far, what kind of? I think 16. All before the courts of Ghana because of what can someone or Mampenini not by feel say or comfort with.
You see the problem I have with these politicians, MPP4. Oh, CB or can't seminal. I say President Mahama the policy be by. And what was the policy? Policy didn't say the president made an announcement to say the government has a way of tracking people who are abusing the Communication Act. Internet policy, you see the misinformation. Or see the day a President Becca say people who hide behind the internet. And the president made that statement when Nipa Fiver Omuye Jumama Ghana in the name say Omo fight illegal mining. Helicopter koto forma NPP4 Ekotena social media. Omo Kwarani because say they want to behead the wife of the president. And now omuku inkofo. And a president, in one of his speech said, inkofo mo abuse social media and make utterances bia sebio etia Ghana mra. When you read the Communication Act, President can say, if they are doing it on the internet, if they are using their phones, they are using the technology and the ABBA to do data. They also have the technology to track anybody who is hiding behind technology to commit a crime. Because the Cybersecurity Act, or that Amrane or say, o share technology chi sadia na aban wo ho kwan say or say or track na ocho. Also go do Oppong Nkruma can say President can say because they will track people who are abusing that law or say President ebe the new policy. But you see the way they misinform. You see the way they misinform the people. How can President commenting on people abusing the law, hiding behind technology, and assaulting people through how they put out information, misinforming and disinforming? How can that statement be a policy? You call this fool and honorable. Now, the question here is, I want to ask you, Oppong Nkruma, why haven't you been arrested? Why haven't they arrested your wife and that your girlfriend at East Legon? Why haven't you been arrested? I'm asking you because you're also an MPP member. You are also an MPP member. Why haven't they arrested you, your wife, your girlfriend, the lady you have a kid with? Why haven't you been arrested? Why haven't you seen your members of parliament, your colleagues being arrested? Why haven't they been arrested? Because they know the law. But you see, the people you mentioned are all foolish dogs. They are stupid. They don't reason. Na omu di nkwasiafo te se mochi na moka bibi to omu tirim se omu endi nkwasiasa na musho mochi mo de mokofie ne moyire ne mokoda ekoto omu pa ba we mu no magimi nti omu nkenkan a omu adwene wo fo omu yankwasiafo mbanti. They don't understand say ya wamra ya de chichiriman no. So when they go against the law will apply. It won't. Anything they catch MP before say mama sa boys nkwasiafo we use mo. Names no listed, you know. You know why? Because I'm croning. I'm but Oppong Nkruma na ono edio menim no yanchi no adentina yanchi kojo Oppong Nkruma. Adentina Oppong Nkruma na onege ona otis lego na wo no. Aden Oppong Nkruma yanchi no na ya beche wo fanti comedy. Ya beche wo kwasia mpanyi na so MPP no. It is because ono ohun sa wo ye kwasia. Wakotete ena onimum rano ena ommum rano so. Dennis Miracle Abuaje kwasi ampanyina na oye former DC yokowie sika Ekufuado pamona and the oye communicator maba omiano. Why haven't they arrested Dennis Miracle Abuaje? Because onimum rano onim se o baby o also jina we jina ye betse no. But you see MPP nkwasiafo no mudi mwechi no ejimifo mba na wo list omo no, they are stupid, they are daft, they don't understand say there is a red line you don't cross because Banana Republic yeti ya emra ene de chichire man no. Now Oppong Nkruma begina say oh Abronye yehu no na the last time yehu no na Abronye the condition no the health no editoriate Abronye ochen omomuda remand nana. Now see the contradiction in the same MPP omonkwasi ade mo medi matema kopem se mewu mo jimi hwe ojo Oppong Nkruma kasa wie na. This is the general secretary of the NPP eden na ono be ka kire ye Oppong Nkruma say Abronye ewu Abronye ntumi home Abronye kwasi apenyi sa no wu a yabesie nse kraman inti MPP Ghana fo nyina yebumfu yere enho. But the general secretary of the party just a few hours ago went to see Abronye. The general secretary of the party a few hours after Oppong Nkruma said this went to see Abronye. What did he write after he saw Abronye? Or say, this morning I visited the Bono regional chairman Kwame Bafo aka Abronye at the National Investigation Bureau. So he has given location. Oppong Nkruma is lying. The general secretary has told us that Abronye is at NIB. Oppong Nkruma say oko police so NIB. Oko NIB so ha. You see the contradictory statement? These are very stupid people. You cannot trust them. Now, Okasaro say, together with former Minister for Trade and Industry, Honorable K.T. Hammond, Deputy General Secretary, Mr. Haruna Mohammed, Central Regional Chairman, Dennis Kweku, and 2024 PC, Parliamentary candidate for Aguna West, Lawyer Christopher Arthur, Nipa 6, Omunyina ko NIB, he was there. Now, Ponchinesha. But Oppong Nkruma say, oh, Abronye yakwa ha yehu bebi owo, yewura say yehu bebi owo, inti yafa yeso kwa ha. You see, they are giving two different answers to one simple question. Now, General Secretary Nikasano say, I am pleased to state that Mr. Abronye remains resolute, courageous, and in high spirits. Say, Opeso Magana for United Abronye Sebio Diokonwe no Abronye Sebio Osipisita Sebio Nakuma edu ena ne honhom ete ne ho Sebio ne ho aka ne ho ama ne ni agye bebi owo no kwase ampanyi se Abronye ewu wan engine ndi kwase ampanyi Oppong Nkruma se Abronye ewu General Secretary to cover Abronye ogina ho pampe na kuma ene Sebio na home aka ne ho ama Sebio ne spirit ejina na naso de na kire se Abronye yare. Abronye is not sick. Abronye is fit. And who the fuck is Abronye? Aboa be ni Abronye. E de krama ni Abronye. Inti Abronye o chen ko from dancer for remand nana. Is Abronye better than any Ghanaian or that remanded there because the same Emra wa Ghana no and you be na chi Abronye. Inti Abronye o chen wine. Na and Abronye was jailer. Ye nyina ye wu. Na Abronye udim nipa dodo obo jail in there. Our mother remand or Ghana around the nation. Do you know? Kwasi ampenyi wedding kwasi asam. Near na kotu efiasia. Na mwejiminti a political party. You think you can use that to galvanize your base or mwejimino to think it's a Ghana for nkotumamo. Adentina yanchi MPP General Secretary biya. Aden yanchi constituency chairman biya. Aden na wa wuti fiye si awoshe wa MPP no. Why haven't you been arrested? It is because unimumrano. Because minimum rano, but monko for ni be a jiminti. They be animal create impression say, omunko no munko. And it's now Oppong Nkruma then it's miracle abwadika asem weche the young people in the MPP. Mekachi mo say mo MPP mo nkwara mo jimi, and they will use you people because mumudo do no munim nyansa. Dennis asem no kachi mo say dey. Wasiafoma.
I am sending this last caution and again. I have directed all our communicators as the 2024 communications director of the MPP's campaign that anybody who comes after our flag bearer, go after the person in three folds.
Okay. So, when we say we Bushian, we want to see an assassin toa, Nipamiunu, intimate common some and for 20,000 Ghana cedis, and can it is 200 million and Baboda in 24 hours. I'm stay out of trouble. And yes, sir.
Intomo ba na obeka chenwe jimi fo ehia fo ma no ye ntia se kwa bontene kwa kasa ye bechew wallahi ye bechew obokeles ubeko jail me America ha na mete no minimum ra no minim sense mbo ha ni sa oka ye bechew entimenka. As simple as that. I live in the United States of America. You actor a chere in some obetuma ka baby obetuma ka menedu intimi minim se akrom hana me ba no me wono ye wo mra mintumi nka ho asem ye won sem bi wo ha mintumi nka intimi nka because minimum mra no so ti kroma no wajimi na obeka o kan ye bechew. The same applies to Ghana. It is a wajimi na wadwene ye o se Ghana emra ni ho ma menka bibi nkire mo nkwara mu social media no sa wo ka ne locate wa ye bechew ene de menye wadwene se obi ba besu ama wo bedam. Enti Dennis mo any Abronye mo Abronye judge no make just a judge no tina case so we bu Ghana mraso. The judge should go back, and I've heard say Abronye mo upon all the noise they were making say yachi Abronye no the omaye almost say omoko appeal. Enti you people know that there's something called appeal. Kojo Oppong Nkruma ne law firm and eye Abronye lawyer. Kwasi ampenyi unim say there's something called appeal, and then you are making noise. Na dentina appeal no se mo se appeal ho na ye mam chance ma wakoya appeal when e ka se Ghana ekuro emrani ha emrani adwumantin ya ma chance to go and appeal. And I would like to respectfully advise the judge, in fact, before you consider this appeal or to hear this appeal, you need to order that Abronye be sent to Nsawam. Because I don't know why you are being selective, Mr. Judge, bringing Abronye to BNI cell. Because Abronye is not different from any individual who is serving remand at Nsawam. So I will expect you, with all due respect, sir, the judge on this case, you need to make sure before you call this case again to hear the appeal, no, you have to instruct that, you cannot be selective where a corporate is kept. The moment there's a judgment that you need to serve remand, Abronye needs to be taken to Nsawam first before this appeal is done. And I expect the prosecutor to make that case in court. The prosecutor should come to court and challenge the judge that, Mr. Judge, why do we have to keep Abronye at BNI cells when we know the law states clearly that anybody who is found to have committed a crime or a case ongoing, or anybody who is remanded, needs to be at in Sawam prison? Why is Abronye at BNI? So the prosecutor should raise this issue. The judge himself will commit a crime. Respectfully, Judge Nkruma Sebio Webu Ghana Mraso, why did he decide to let them take Abronye to BNI cells? Why? I didn't think Abronye would BNI cells. I didn't Ghana for now almost 7 remand. Ewo eye in Sawum Abronye chen omo ana. Kwasi ampenyi we watching omo. Kwasi aba we watching omo. Krama we ade na onka no Ghana. Ede nkwasi ade na Abronye enkaye. Na wo judge out ya konyom we di wo nyonko judge atem aka kire mo se mu nyina mo yankwasi afo Sebio adi eye chief justice atem o se efa no to BNI na obi akowia eye banchi o se efa no to Nsawum 2 months. What kind of selective judgment is this? So we are also saying that Abronye, with all due respect, Mr. Judge, before you listen to this appeal, I'm urging the prosecutor to raise this matter in court. That, Mr. Judge, with all due respect, Abronye needs to be coming from Nsawum. So all the days that he has spent at the BNI, it needs to be cancelled. He needs to be taken to Nsawum, because you are making it look like, say, and then Abronye or your Papa Chen, and now our right to say Ghana for Mudan Nsawum. Abronye only right to check Ghana from Nsawum. And if the judge fails to do that, it means that Obia from Ende, ye betting or Ghana no, say ye kasi afano to Nsawum, we need to challenge that. And Obia ye betting or Ghana, na judge and Becca say yama remand kodan Nsawum no, we need to challenge it, and we will challenge any judge, because this guy needs to be taken to Nsawum for him to go serve those 5-6 days first, before he comes to the courtroom to say yentie na appeal. And then in some nekos or Ghana no, who is Abronye or a better chen wine? Kwasi onimnyansa chen wine. Abronye onimnyansa chen wine or Ghana or ye nipa chen wine. Kwashen ko fo mugu Nsawum. Go and see. Among from here responsible BBNT and omo akoda Nsawum on remand 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Kwasi we akoda BNI. Emma air condition e bono. Emma MPP fo nya kasa eye dede. This guy is supposed to be sent to Nsawum. And then kwasi mind games na MPP person on Ghana for you know. So, Mr. Judge, with all due respect to you, sir, and I'm going to talk to the prosecutor through my platform. Mr. Prosecutor, go and make a case, because if you don't send this guy to Nsawum, nobody should be taken to Nsawum on remand. Yes, because we are talking about precedents. Nobody, because Mameka will be in trouble. There will be a go to Nsawum da or remanda yarea a one sono or asthma or again there obi kra femu na Abronye kwasi ampenyi wo chenwan wo Ghana. Kwasi ampenyi we wo chenwan wo Ghana. Adentia or join the MPP in kwasi afo party we a limited liability party filled with limited liability pigs. Omumbuni pa we no. Why is Abronye better than any Ghanaian? Ana o MPP mo o ya Ghana ni chen obi. Ena Ghana mbran ye di agro wo Ghana. Mr. Judge, with all due respect, this piglet needs to be taken to Nsawum. That's where he needs to be. If he's going to die, he needs to die in Nsawum. Abronye Owua affect Bibia. If Abronye dies today, it does not affect anything in Ghana. Abronye is a non-entity, a foolish bastard who speaks anyhow. Take him back to Nsawum. Na Ghana no, the number of people there are almost 7 remand. Kwasi we oche omo. And Abronye yare. And I mete kwasi ampenyi biti untimi Abronye neni aya potwe e kire so yare kwasi and ya wokura wo yare cha Abronye. Wo kwasi ampenyi na woto ka se Abronye ese neni asoasoa. And ese wo angaza no de wo wu na wonam. Abronye neni asoasoa nto yare. Na ese wo ya sickler na TV, so without respect to sicklers. Kwasi ampenyi wo fin ye di utuma wotososo obeka kire se Abronye eni aya potwe into Abronye yare. And the woman can say they always see a long time. Ufin. They give it that. We give you an anniversary. I don't give you an anniversary. Yeah, more. Would you Court denied. You are still live on Loud Silence. You are still live on Loud Silence TV. My name is Kevin Ekobedu Taylor. Yet to Nkruma, before I be moving on, story where their story. Court denied Gregory Afoko bail pending trial, retrial. Where date better show 1st of June 2023 nkwasiafo Abronye Ochenwan Gregory Afoko Nana do dan kweku for do instructed se me ma Gregory Afoko bail kwasiafo yama Abronye se onkoda reminder mo de nkwasia de nam Ghana di nkwasiasem Gregory Afoko Ekufu de catch the judge say or catch the prosecutor say mama mu release no yama no bail krampo Ekufu de so mpene June 2023 na kwasia be the president na nya chechire na president omso se Kevin Tele di atem kwasiafo mu mama adwiri nya adwuma nti na di mu atem no kwasiafo ma June 1st 2023 court denies Gregory Afoko bail pending retrial na Abronye Ochenwan. Let me read a story to you. Kwasiafo inti yenjai bibia yeye adentira Abronye yare na kwasiasa no wu a efo bi ho. This is the thing. He needs to go back to Nsawom. The hopes of Gregory Afoko, the prime suspect in the murder of the late Upper East Regional Chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Adams Mahama, to secure bail pending his retrial was denied by an Accra High Court, which denied his request. His counsel had filed an application for bail before the court, indicating that the accused had been in custody of the police, National Intelligence Bureau, and now the Nsawam prison for the past 8 years since arrest in 2015. Kwasiafo. Yadiko BNI, Yadiko police cells, and Yadnako to Nsawam, Nipa Bako, Yamani bail, Ekufuadika said no, and more. Today, my fifth was seen crassy for ma. Ghana nyina mbutu ade ya chi Abronye. Na Abronye anko Pakistan anko you be police dog. Abofunu. Abronye or Pakistan anko police dog. Na Jimmy Fo enti yenja de yeye. En enti yeba power. Oba power be de. Ede na obeye. Oba chi obi egum. Oba bo obi atuo. Mu yankwasiafo. And power best san and the table will turn. Unko Chinese restaurant da ho. Table need to be kwa na twem. Abofunu. When you read the second paragraph, third paragraph, they had pleaded with the court to grant him bail pending the retrial, occasioned by a 4-3 hung jury, which found him not guilty of 2 charges of conspiracy to commit murder and murder. A 7-member jury by 4-3 decision found Gregory Afoko not guilty of conspiring to murder the late Upper East Region. This is all there. June 2023. Yama Gregory Afoko bail. Kwasiafo. Moje se mo tumi de ye ba power be hunu bi o Ghana na Ghana obi papa dia kofo kura tete Ghana ms so no so ja kofo ono kura tete Ghana ms so no so kofo kura ne nam Ghana mende ye boje ne so ja kofo a wicked politician yes so kofo so o Ghana intimo sare na mo kasa nkwase asem na ye nya power o de be de o eden unya power be den na obetumi de power na ye kwasiafo reason small mun dwene kakra na mo agimi na koto de ne bodwe nyanya nkyere ne mfa ne kobo house of folk emmoa. And we are not going to give you people any space in Ghana again. Mojen say sebi obo partner e nipa chan nipa nkwasia partner motete ye na munni anidaso bia na motete Ghana e twatro no mojen say ye we mo ye de we mo ye we mo ne de betena Ghana mo bodam ye mo bia chance no ye ba kire Ghana irrespective of who you are. Enti Abronye needs to go back to Nsawam. Okowu Nsawam ye besie no. Yes, because your Ghana for almost call Nsawam o mawu. Omo nchen Abronye and Abronye nchen omo. Enti kwasia bia ntumi njina ka say and Abronye yare. And so or Pakistan and police dog. Kwasia for. Now mame ko benim. Wejwa. Ya nti ase. Now me hu story we. Ewurade nyankopon. If we have to weaponize the entire youth of the MPP, I promise you we will. And Osaka said, they will make the country ungovernable, normal. Me say, NPP, do your worst. Me say, I know sometimes wrong. Between Akwawe, and I was campaigning when I say NDC we need power, or Bebo Nutu, so between it. Kwasiawe, where Quatiboto, Slemu dying. MPP 4 page, Jimmy 4 you so much, and tough for them you so much. Every single day I say it. Me say enta for more MPP no de be on person mu please akanfo no power buy Ekufu ade na akanfo na be di sika no and enta for mo ani bi ye use almost say moa. Me say MPP can do your worst in Ghana. Mo be say Ghana no mo be to Ghana no kwasiafo gather all the youth in the MPP. Do it. Me say I am daring the MPP. They should gather all the youth in Ghana and try to make Ghana ungovernable. Ni heard your bet yensie no Ghana. Kwasiafo what is Ghana no dia? Semu giant is our quarter bottle Jimmy Ma santini meka. Ada ne yentu obi fi asantime mu. E ma no meka sasa. Sremuni aboa. Wo obedi MPP echi. Kokrom inso kura ni wo. We are fighting to bring development back home. Montafo ni bi na mo jimi no. We are fighting to bring development back home. Montafo ni bi na mo jimi no. Mo di MPP echi ebedu nkran na madane mwa. Me say we are daring you people. Gather all the youth and make Ghana ungovernable. Na yenhwe de oyeb Ghana, bema wo Ghana. Ma bodam. Mo dwen say tetene na mo keka nkwase asema na wavom wedi. Me say the NPP agronian tokwanie. You people should weaponize the entire youth of the NPP. You will sleep 6 p.m. obi abeda. Mu mema da ohun. You have not seen people who control the streets before ohun. Imbre bi na modem on sabefa nipa edum na nipa nka hwe no. Masa, this is not the time or hini biti baby befro bi say we de maninka o etwam. I am telling you people. Some kwasi ade na da mutirimu no na mu jimi sabi na da mutirimu no e na yente ase e na me say we are daring you people. Weaponize the youth and let us see who is Bema Wam Ghana ha. Kwasi afo dirty people. Yeah? Let me show you this. You see this story? Kwasi ampe yiteni abua ojina nkran 6 North East District, poorest in Ghana despite national poverty decline. Ghana Statistical Service. And over the whole Ghana, Mahamudu Baumia, maybe free, a honor ohia power, kwasiafo, 10 year boa, Kabaumia be power 8 years no, Kamana netina dem kasa, yam fan punti unko srim. Mobato sada, kwasiafo, modane yani NDA. Kwasiafo, then I'm the boss srim. Muslim for na mo MPP, my say moa, my say ntwamwa. And I yani account for the use say nine. Inti akani ba ko story anamudi ne chise preku. You don't use your senses. Wona obekra wo Ghana. Try it and see. You betwa wuti dia party. Moje say Ghana no mo pa mo dia na. Moje say Ghana no mo na na mu dia. Moje say mo nkwasi adombo ye dian for no omo dia ewifo ma. Try it. So I am daring you people. Bring the youth, weaponize them. Nyanhwe the Ghana ene dia. Na moje say mo di pa fia kakra mo ye MPP no. Ghana is bigger than MPP. Na mo jisa nkwasiafo mo nkwa na moto aba. Ha? Kwasia kotena ukrom na kasi amfa mpunti omra srem na ye nyina yan support ye tumi tena ha, and we try to convince government to take development back home. Na ye try to stop ayedien senya ye use srem for srem nkran. Ye to kroma na kwasiafo ba womia ene na yere jantreni no ebesi hostel say akaya yefo enkwara modi 14 15 16 as young as 12 omombra nkran be kaya ye na akanfo nkwasiafo ni dimochi na montafo ni bi mo jimi na mo di MPP echi no mo si esi hostel ama ye nuanom ye nananom ade na santefo no nkosi hostel won kan say omo nananom no mo asantemem no omombra be di pa nkran kwasiafo ade na santefo na omo di party n'anim no ade na achimfo na omo di power no omo ankosi hostel won kan say achimfo nkwara embra hostel ho na mo entafo ni bi na mo jimi no mo esem preku ena mo di MPP echi ena jimifo mo di mo hwem krom. And then you come tell us say you are weaponizing the youth. Abuofunu. Me say we are turning now with Jimmy. Now with the MPP here, I will show you where you are from. Because you want tough for Munyansa. They are doing everything possible to build this nation. We will weaponize the young wabo dam. Now what Bema cha ubi? Ya pepatia or one Bema or Mema. Nanabi on a once a dance here in the foyer. Nanabi or Chinobe Yarifoi. Nana building got to be a night 24 hours obewu kwasi awo henenim nanim rough say e jare kwan inclusive war. We sit in Ghana and you people when you're in opposition you say you can turn the nation upside down, and some people have looked on for years. Now kwasi afo the same MPP for you fool around every day and you walk and you come and you walk ya chichiri kura na maba say no na mo de kwasi ahensam ebusuasam eye enton mon edwamanfo ma. Yes, in your mobile number, mobile Ghana for so, more bottom. Gather all the youth in the MPP and see who is man in Ghana. Gather MPP youth and weaponize them and let's see. Nobody is going to allow anybody to fool in Ghana again. Yako ballot 2028. Na Ghana for Omakuma told me say, oh, yempe MPP, NDC be it's fine, you take it. But as far as John Mahama and the NDC are in power, Kwasiebia and Twin Chembe Masamo Ghana, no. Udu Tiba, that's why I read ya, oh yeah, boss Yakwa, you be chama. Because Omani Echishire, and Yami Papadia, and also Papadia, and Yakwame from Pompapadia, and Yen Papa no dia. So nobody should feel entitled in Ghana. No fucking idiot should feel entitled in Ghana. Say, yeah, for a muni headquarters. Mwanga some regional World Bank and most of Ashanti region. Headquarters kwa muni bi nkwasiafo. These are your people telling us. Headquarters kwa muni bi. Muhu fin. Siafo eso so Ghana sana mu Jimmy.
Say Ghana is a serious country Kofi. Ghana is a very serious country. Electoral Commission is very efficient. As an MPP for must have notice a withdraw as license to operate as a political party in this country.
Really?
Yeah, Ghana is not a serious country.
Electoral Commission.
Of course.
So Ghana
Electoral Commission is very effective. Of course. As almost started the process. Because the CINA, they establish political parties and they say every political party must have a regional office across the country. As a person owns a regional office in the MPP constituency office, union constituency office across all the 76 constituencies, 276 constituencies across the country. MPP say I'm not a Ashanti regional officer. You can't have a letter called MPP regional officer. So it is bad. International for now is move force Ashanti regional executive party office. You can't say party office who be out. So shop. And now a permanent address. And the CI says that the party must have permanent address in all the administrative regions.
In Ashanti region, a new permanent.
So they are going against the CI. And electoral commission is so serious. Ghana is not a serious country. Moja scare campaign, Moja scare high party office. And nobody's talking about it. Oh, we are capable. When it comes to party organization, MPP, I don't mean words.
No,
and this time, say Ghana is a serious country. Your effective electoral commissioner has to go start the process to say so more MPP crown. You better withdraw my license because you don't have a permanent party office in Ashanti region. And yes, MPP won't even know. MPP for a case is here a party office. You call high store at their party officer. We will get a lot of people to contribute to do it. But because of leadership ineffectiveness in Tino, MPP ni party office, you need permanent address at their party office.
Kwasiafo party office Gramunibi. The whole Ashanti region. Moti Ashanti mem na Kwasia keka. Bibia besi mutima na moka. Ena ye de party yet na Ashanti memu, ena sha Ashanti Fruma, en Kwasia keka ejimifo muni party office Ashanti region. Then you want to tell us you are going to weaponize the youth. I didn't try. Abronye jail. Now I didn't change the MPP for Nyangumu. Foolish people. Very dirty people. Very, very dirty people. Mon kai mochi. Mudim kwasi asemu ye na mudimu tu binia. Na masabe jina wasa munim diesi. Abre binia ye yamano ho. Aina de biano. Di aina e give him up no. Ana emo biya musa mu ye jimi for ne se. Mudi bini wia. Na mu refisa ma yepa mano ho. Enkwasi adi amadi wo Ghana kuro we mu no. Abronye is supposed to be in jail by now. Abronye is supposed to be in jail. Motiti Nkruma disika wa Ghana nyina di nkwasiasam erepi ma aboni patuo. Muni headquarters wo Ashanti regional party office. Munya mwa. Munya ntwamwa. Kwasiafo, then we have to listen to such twerps. Such vindictive, petty people. Yatina Nkruma, this man, what's his name? Victor Solomon. Papa we J.A. Kofo de ko shemu na pacemaker na kuma ho. Kofo ma ni wiye. Kwasiafo J.A. Kofo yema yen kana asem ade o ya Santini. Na Santini oni gold ana. J.A. Kofo na mono oni gold ana. Victor Solomon J.A. Kofo de ni ko tu mu. Yakaje se na kuma owo mashisha na kuma mu obetume wu Kofo say I don't fucking care. This tribalistic, egoistic, petty man way and I'm going to Ghana say mama yanka Kofo nsem. Mo boda mana. Let me read a story to you. Moyani a charge mo so amonkwasi asa na mo te Ghana no. Accra, April 8, Ghana News Agency, date in a show here, April 8 in 2005. Now I'm president. Murderers. Mosa man not there any konkonsa. De biamu dini pa hun sensem kikansem. Ya wumwa mutusu amwe Jimmy. Munyina na mabodam. We are going to organize, weaponize the youth. Weaponize them. Weaponize them. We are here. Weaponize them. Because see, for you see a refinia, now when you read the story, the death was reported in Accra on Monday of Mr. Victor Solomon, former Deputy Minister of Finance at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital in Accra. Mr. Solomon had been fighting a serious cardiac problem for a very long time and had been on a pacemaker. Kofo na onim say Solomon machine shana kumem ebetume kunu de bia Kofo de ne hyem so onkowu. Kofo na onenam ho no, a very vindictive, petty murderer. Onana Ghana no. Technically, when you read the story, Kofo's government murdered Solomon. Yes. That is why I'm saying he's a vindictive petty murderer, because it was his government that knew, say, if they put him in jail, he would die. The same thing they wanted to do to Chachu Chikata. Would you say Jimmy Yana? He wanted to kill Chachu Chikata because he is a tribalistic, egoistic, petty liar. Oya uneni ntino beso okunu to twene. What is Ghana nkwasi asem? Mama yanka Kofo asem. Because Chachu is smarter than him. Chachu is coherent. Chachu is an intelligent person. Diana Kofo nim. Wedi bone ne aka na mode mutu sibini mu keka nkwase asem ada na aka Kofo asem na Kofo onen kantan. The pettiness with you people, ema mo kura time my say pro. You people look like squirrels. What to say pro, what to say in pataku. Foolish people. Enkwase dem wadi no kroma bi ni. Ya tiama na mo jimi abete ya ntiase ada na aka we hu asem. You killed a man using the power we gave you. And Abronye kwasia we di nkwasi asem na aban sa so mu a wo se won tiase Ghana nyina, you are going to weaponize the youth. Me say agroni entokanie me yi agroni afrim weaponize the youth. I want to come about say Ghana no mbema ukurum ha na mra ukurum ha. Mama ya charge ya mo ba go phone to me pia bontin fifie biem. But you be make sure the young people, they will all know Kofo nkwasi ade obeyeye. Kwame Nkruma kura kana asem na Kofo chen Kwame Nkruma. Kofo we pa. Me say Mr. Kofi Totobi Kwache, a former head of national security in the government of the National Democratic Congress, confirmed the news when the Ghana News Agency called him in Accra. Mr. Kwache said on December 6, 2004, Mr. Solomon's health deteriorated at the Insawam prison where he had been serving a prison term, and he was sent to the cardiothoracic center at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital. J.A. Kofo Aban at the Solomon Kotumu. Yakaja se Kofo, Papa no, machine shana koma ho. Obetume wu. Kofo say, I don't care. And Yensen sile Kofo se chobi. Mami yan kanasem. Na Kofo chen Kwame Nkruma. Mo Kofo no. Mo papa Kofo no. O chen Kwame Nkruma. En hin obetume atoto Kwame Nkruma. Mo nkwara na maba no. MPP we nkwasi ade o mabedi no Ghana kromo mo. Memo bia consider MPP o mo jimi.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere.
After all these things, Shadieba no, eja enya bedu. Eja ne saying the NDC government, led by John Dramani Mahama, the finances and our finance ministry, led by Ato Forsen, the Bank of Ghana, led by Dr. Isiama, Eka Bawumia Oforiata, Ebogu Yeswa, finally, omudi yeko IMF no, 1 year, 4 months or 5 months no, Ato Forsen, etime leadi abanwe, asheshe Ghana sika ama endemeno wakase, IMF na Bawumia de beshe ye kono, ye free officially. Enya wanwa, enya wode. Are you not happy? Yatina krum ha, Emma, a man for Echo IMF, say, ye free IMF aba, omo beye kenke party, ewo Ghana. Bawumia mo beye kenke party, omo koto dokono, beye 4 million Ghana cedis, ebe diye. Adenya, IMF na yako, ena yaba. In a year, 4 months, Ato Forsen, lead Ghana without talking, without making noise, without creating an impression, say Onimnyansa Ubia, humbly has worked diligently with the Bank of Ghana, with the appointees of this government, worked with the president, and Adiani against the end to mean see. At forcing, at the end of the day, Ghana every IMF I say. And it's not just Ghana every IMF as you. How are you to me atoto nyama ato forcing etumi atoto nyama ma IMF asina ye free no enye say bia ye free asie ohumu. We are leaving this program confidently. Because you see, adebakwa e wasa moti ase o politics mean say so obenya leader oye bone ana ontumi e wodwuma na oye trofo, and this man has proven say no kre any de politics. And one unique thing about Atuforsen, the leadership as the finance minister, and say there was never a day Atuforsen carried on who Ghana to say Onimbibia about economics. There has never been a day Atuforsen creating impression to Ghana for him say Onimnyan Sampo chain people he works with. There's never been a day Atuforsen actually any science in say Onya Wusika na opese Owiaye. There's never been a day like that. And in Ghana today, so we do Mahama Friwa. Ubusa obia say wanna me to my GDD after Joma obiampo for now because be to forcing. Because you see, the bile of this nation running of an economy or a government is the finances. The bile of running a nation are the finances. It is a finance minister no, if he cannot be trusted, then the government is not a government, also be a GD. But you see, consistently, Atuforsen has proven say he's somebody who can be trusted. Even when we are facing problems as a nation financially, he's able to come out clearly to tell us, say, this is what we are facing, this is what we need to do. And the unique thing about Atuforsen is say he's a politician who is versatile and pays attention to details. And it is not just by chance. It is about it is diligent work. It is commitment. It is learning, submitting themselves, and being truthful. Juma John Muhammad Diamano, he has excelled. And I'm not saying this because me but you see, I'm making you understand to say, yeah, the Omaya none finances are saying ajiegu. The reason why until for turn to me back Ghana and say, or say Ghana sika semina. So it should tell you the seriousness of the damage Ekufuado and the Bawumia and the Furiata Muye. Now do so Furiata or Ghana sikasem in a very good or safe area place anchor on Ghana. But the damage they did. Now we needed somebody to come do the fucking cleanup. Abronye Wenaba 1 year, 4 months. Why you clean up on my end? They are shocked. This is the first time in the history of IMF. Omo catcher or mind be say winning BB. Ya pese wo baraba Jessica. Now the boy will say no. This is the first time in the history of IMF. Omo who be that. And they are still asking, how did you do it? They are still shocked. They are like, how were you able to do that? It is because Sikana Yadiaman is so he is not using the money anyhow. Now, no one any party for complaining say Atuforsen in my ska because when you are managing an economy, so managing a cry, you send sika some you cannot just say everything is a priority. Some things are supposed to be priority than others. And it's the Ushia economics your scale of preference. You may be win here and then you may be fatter. So he was able to make sure say we deal with the here. And then the fatano, as time goes on, the fatano will be dealt with. And slowly you can see, say, even though Nasikeniwa or making sure say yes, the country was still moving smoothly. With the help of the Bank of Ghana governor, with the help of his colleagues, with the help of the ministers and the country as a whole, and the president had faith in him. And yeah, easy send me a call. Me pia bontine. Na insan menum metam dia show bin sim the person na me den insan be share din sim no na it means say I trust the person. I believe say dipa no dia me dwene no san o dwene. So it is not just by chance that John Mahama say Atuforsen be finance minister. No. It is somebody you can trust and believe say adebia wugidi no sa nipa no so gidi. Sa nipa no sa wuni ho kra sa nipa no beto aso sa nipa no be make sure say sa de no be bia na opese da no obetum de ato. That is trust and belief. It is not just, but Atufo Sabe finance minister. Atufo, no, it is the trust. And it's a typical example, I shall say. And yeah, easy send me a call. Bijina baby no monsa, and I'm in Numusio. Now me the ministry shall be in some keke. I will look around and see the person I can trust before I give Samin Suru to the person. And that is what John Dramani Mahama did. It is so called Baka. We are talking something, we are talking about deceit. Atro and a say mine. Oforiata. At a point, near Nyakacho Oforiata say, let us know the truth. A day na ekoso ofurata jina Ghana for him oneba omi adem ka.
But I can tell you, as my colleague Deputy Minister said, we are not going to the IMF. Whatever we do, we are not. The consequences are there. We are a proud nation. We have the resources. We have the capacity. Don't let anybody tell you. Like when Joshua, Caleb, and the 10 others went to spy on the promised land. And only 2 of them came to say that we can do it. And the 10 went around the community murmuring, you can't, da 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 da. We are not people of short sight, you know. And we have to move on, okay? So let's think of us as who we are, a proud, strong people, the shining star of Africa, and we have the capacity to do what we want to do. If only we can speak that one language and ensure that we burden share in the issues ahead.
What in question what yeah, call IMF. Not only about Omiane tour. I'm saying we are not going to IMF today, tomorrow. And I'll Joshua and Caleb. Quotation what Bible the same week, now call IMF. That is the trust I'm talking about. The MPP, there's no trust. How many trust to be? You to mean trust the MPP. This was Bawumia or the Bawumia free cabinet meeting. And I'm catching and say, Omomekanche say, Yanko IMF. Are they chini or IMF? Okasana Bawumia tenin Okasano na Bawumia to free cabinet ban Omekaje say, go and lie to the people that we are not going to IMF. But you see, we are talking about Atuforsen. We are talking about somebody who has led a country ya this ikasem shedding sim na eden na ebubu. So somebody will ask, what is Atuforsen? Atuforsen is a dien. Atuforsen is a doer. What is Atuforsen? Atuforsen is a deliverer. And Atuforsen is a trusted hand. That is what is Atuforsen. But can you say the same about Bawumia? Bawumia, what is Bawumia? Bawumia is a liar. Bawumia is a chipmunk. Bawumia is a yogurt peel. Bawumia is an adjective. He's a verb. He's a liar. He is a pathological liar. What is Atuenamaka? He's a deliverer. Atuforsen is a doer. And Atuforsen is a trusted hand. And in politics, trusted hand is very important. Very, very important. Now, at a point in our history, Yebusa Bawumia,
the MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubwahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words.
How a better near to me Ashisha Ghana Sikasem a developing Ghana. A better near to me I'll make sure say I'm a Ghana couldn't him. Bawumia say about Miaka the verb.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere.